and welcome from my part to the final Swiss presentation, where we were given the opportunity to present a research project that the Lucerne University of Applied Sciences and Arts was able to carry out in collaboration with several Swiss textile companies. As the name Texcircle already indicates, the project was focusing on the construction of a circular economy in the context of Switzerland. So my name is Brigitt Egloff. I'm a textile designer, researcher and lecturer at Lucerne University of Applied Sciences and Arts, and I will present the samples together with Franziska Häfeli from Theater, and she also represents one of the partners in the research project. So we prepared the presentation as follows. First, I will give you a very short overview about the initial situation and the research project, and then we would like to follow us outside and see the examples which we developed. And at the end, there will be time for Q&A sessions if you have any. So, talking about waste, there's something wrong on the slide, but anyway, textiles are the fourth largest consumer of primary raw materials and water, and the fifth largest emitter of greenhouse gases after food production, housing and transport. So, and also knowing that most environmental impact occur in countries where textiles and clothing are produced. This graphic shows the numbers of discarded textiles in Europe, and these numbers are from Euratex and published in 2020. As you can see, Europe has taking these numbers together, a 7 million tons textile waste problem, of which only around 30%, this number here, are collected. Currently, about a third of this used clothing is collected and reused, either as second-hand fabrics or as roughly recycled fabrics into rugs, and less than 1%, as you might heard about, is recycled into fiber-to-fiber recycling for new fashion. And what is also true that from these 7 million tons of textile waste, 99% are made by virgin fibers. As a reaction to this mentioned situation, the Texcircle research project investigated and developed the vision of a textile circular economy for used textiles based on real life conditions. And the project operated on 3 levels. One was the vision. The second level was the process, with a special focus on mechanical recycling. And the third focus was on the product, whereby also economical, technical, ecological and design aspects were taken into account. And together with the partner of the cluster, we developed this vision based on existing and newly developed criteria and stakeholder analysis and life cycle assessment results. Finally, high quality and target group oriented products were developed, where we will show afterwards. This slide shows the project settings. Besides Lucerne University of Applied Sciences and Arts, 6 industrial partners were involved in the project. The project was funded by the Swiss Innovation Agency, and the research contribution came to 350,000 Swiss francs. From the textile collection site. One partner was Texaid. Texaid has a collection volume of 65,000 textiles in Switzerland annually. We had Rieder as an implementation partner for the yarn process. And beside Ruckstuhl, which is a carpet manufacturer, Work Fashion, which is a workwear producer, and Roller was important for the implementation then of the yarn into socks. And furthermore, there was also Coop, one of the largest retail and wholesale companies in Switzerland. Coop has a total turnover of 34 billion Swiss francs as a turnover, just to give you an idea about the size of the company. So what did we do exactly? We processed 2.5 tons of post-industrial waste and post-consumer waste. The material came from the project partner and from the collection of Texaid. And for example, Coop company added on-worn baker uniforms to the flow of goods, whereas other partners added industrial waste, such as cuttings, to the flow of goods. And Texaid, of course, added post-consumer waste to it, mainly denim, cotton shirts, and also wool coats. But how were these tear fibers transformed into products, and what was the feedback also from the production side to these yarns and nonwovens which we developed? And after this super short introduction, we would ask the media people to follow us outside on the balcony, and Franziska and I would like to show you the product concepts and go through them. You can build 2 groups and gather around the tables, and after 5 minutes you can change the table and you will have the possibility to see the other product concepts as well. And after that, we are ready for questions and answers.